Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study less in medical school. First, identify the core concepts and high-yield information that frequently appear on exams. Focus your energy on mastering these essential areas rather than getting bogged down in every-minute detail. Next, actively test yourself using practice questions and flashcards. This approach is far more effective than passively rereading notes. Finally, schedule regular review sessions for previously learned material to prevent forgetting. To study smarter, try creating your own brief summaries for each lecture or topic. This forces you to synthesize information and identify key takeaways. Joining a study group can also be incredibly beneficial. Explaining concepts to peers helps solidify your own understanding. Don't forget the power of visual learning. Incorporate diagrams, flowcharts, or even simple sketches into your notes to make complex processes easier to remember and recall. Effective time management is crucial for reducing study hours. Start by creating a realistic study schedule, dedicating specific blocks of time to each subject. Remember to incorporate short, planned breaks every hour or so to refresh your mind and prevent mental fatigue. When you are studying, practice single tasking. Focus intensely on one subject for about 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break before moving on to the next task. Prioritizing your well-being is not just about health. It directly impacts your study efficiency. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your brain to consolidate memories and function at its best. Regular physical activity, even a brisk 20-minute walk, can significantly reduce stress and boost your cognitive abilities. Also, staying hydrated throughout the day is super important for focus. You can find a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals in the description below. Remember, a healthy body supports a sharp mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.